My name is Hunter, and I offer family constellation work at the Light Clinic. I currently call beautiful Kentucky home. I'm in love with capital L, love. Many years ago in meditation, I heard as a directive, be love now, see love now, do love now. I've been in service to love ever since. Teaching, guiding, and coaching others in how to live a life sourced in love is my passion and my calling. I love serving those who are ready to take responsibility for their experience of life with radical integrity, to get clear about what they want and to show up like they want it while following and trusting the outcome to love. I believe that the universe, love, life, whatever our chosen word for what cannot be described, is conspiring on our behalf. What if everything that shows up in our lives is an invitation to learn, grow, heal, wake up, and love more? An invitation to say yes, welcome, and eventually thank you to the agony and the ecstasy. The peace, freedom, and joy that spontaneously arise in these moments of loving what is here in the present moment is absolutely life and world changing. I love the family constellation work that we offer here at the Light Clinic just for this reason. During a constellation, as we feel into the seen and unseen energies of a family system, we are following and trusting the restoration of what the founder, Bert Hellinger, called the orders of love. In the process of restoration, the love and goodwill of those exiled, forgotten, judged is revealed. Their place in the family system is restored, and more freedom and ease is made available to all. Since assisting with the introduction of this work from Germany to America almost 20 years ago, the personal, intergenerational, and collective healing I continue to witness is truly profound and deeply moving. It is a privilege to support another's healing journey in this awe-inspiring way. Integrating my life, work, and educational experiences of holistic and hospice nursing, transformational coaching, trauma healing, and diverse spiritual practices with the family constellation work is enriching and rewarding. We look forward to you experiencing the healing power of love for yourself, your family system, and the world. We'll see you soon. Thank you.